for a thorough removal of iPhone contacts, beyond standard deletion. Additional steps are crucial. Deleting via the Contacts app may not eliminate all traces. A detailed approach is necessary to ensure comprehensive deletion and efficiency. Part 1. Why do deleted iPhone contacts keep coming back? iCloud syncing, contact group sync, third-party apps, Google Contact Sync, recently deleted contacts folder, iOS bugs or glitches, iTunes sync, iCloud backup. Part 2. How to permanently delete contacts from iPhone with Eraser for iOS. Mobikin Eraser for iOS is a user-friendly iOS erasing tool that ensures the permanent deletion of contacts and other sensitive data on your iPhone. Here's a guide on how to use Eraser for iOS to permanently delete contacts from your iPhone. Step 1. Download and install Eraser for iOS. Step 2. Connect your iPhone. Step 3. Select Erase option. Step 4. Start erasing process. Part 3. How to delete contacts from iPhone permanently from iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Navigate to the Contacts section in the main menu. Press and hold the Ctrl key Windows or Command key Mac while selecting the contacts you want to delete. Once the undesired contacts are selected, click on the gear icon located in the lower left corner to unveil an Actions menu. From the menu, choose Delete to eliminate all the selected contacts. Confirm the deletion in the subsequent pop-up window. Part 4. How to delete contacts on iPhone permanently via iCloud. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your name. Go to iCloud and toggle off the Contacts option. In the prompted window, select Delete from my iPhone to erase contacts from your device. Part 5. How to permanently delete contacts on iPhone via email accounts. Access settings on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID, proceed to Password and Accounts, and select the relevant email service. Disable the Contacts option and confirm your choice by opting for Delete from my iPhone.